So today we're going to be doing 21 plus 16. So first we're going to look at the ones place. So we're going to do 1 plus 6. You can use your fingers too. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to plus 1. So then we're going to do 1. Then we can count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So then we're going to write a 7 right here. Now we're going to look at the tens place. So first we're going to do 1 plus 2. So first we're going to get our fingers. 1, 2. Then we're going to add 1. 1. That equals 3. 1, 2, 3. So then we write a 3 right here. And then the answer is 37.